Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to elongate the time or the clock on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is get into the edit mode. So you can long press and hold with the finger to get to this edit mode. Now if you can't get it from here, you can also go into your setting and then scroll down to wallpaper and then click on customize, and it will also bring you to the same edit mode. Now from here on, you need to tap on it and make sure you're on the first font right here. The other font will not work, so make sure again you're on the first font, and you're gonna see this icon that's very faint at the corner. You're gonna basically hold on to it and drag it to elongate the time, just like that. Once you're satisfied, just hit done, and from there on the changes will get applied. And if I lock my screen, I can see the time has been elongated, just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.